I'm Ashlyn and my husband is Zach, and we're traveling A to Z. Join us this week as we take a Norwegian cruise to Alaska.
We're off the plane in Seattle.
Now we're gonna go find our boat and hopefully we make it on that. So we're going on a Norwegian cruise from Seattle to Alaska. It should be so much fun. We're super excited.
We are at Seattle Airport. So one thing you have with the Norwegian Cruise is they have a free at sea deal. This option that you could get a whole bunch of activities and you could also get the flights. They basically tell you when your flights are, so you can't pick, but they'll send it to you about, I think it was about 3 weeks prior. They sent us the flight information and we get on the flight. We don't have to organize anything. Since Norwegian actually organizes the flight, they have a person there with a sign telling you where to go, and they have a transport that will pick you up from the baggage claim area in a bus that will then deliver you to the cruise ship port. And that's what we're doing now, is trying to find the bus. It's pretty well marked. Hopefully you don't get lost. We just dropped off our luggage. You can't probably see it. Those are huge trucks full of luggage. And we're at the airport. Now we're gonna go find the bus and we're gonna get on the bus. They do buses, I think, starting around 10 a.m. Our boat leaves at 5, and so they have just buses that keep coming through the airport until about 3. You have to be on the boat 2 hours prior before it leaves. So they gave us little boarding numbers, and now we wait until the bus leaves.
We're in Seattle. Getting on a boat.
There's Pier 66, and here is our boat. It's huge! Biggest boat we've ever seen. There's a lot of check-ins. I think you check in, you go through security. You can't bring water, but you can bring wine if it's bottled. No other liquids. And another check-in. We got a card.
We got a card, but I don't know what our room number is. There's no room number on this thing.
That's smart. So when you lose your card, somebody doesn't steal your stuff. We are boarding the ship right now. The Norwegian Encore. Here we come. Welcome. Let the vacation begin. The Norwegian Encore is one of the newest boats and was built in 2019. It holds 4,400 people. We're super lucky because only 2,100 people are on the boat during our trip. Okay, and we made it! The Encore is registered in the Bahamas and is called a breakaway class ship. There's other ships in its class, such as the Bliss, Joy, and the Escape. The Encore was launched in 2019, and it was the last ship actually built in Germany. The ship is made out of 93 different blocks put together kind of like Legos. The rest of the ships are now going to be built in Italy. Prima is the newest ship of the Norwegian Cruise Line, which was built in Italy. The length of the ship is 1,082 feet, or 329.7 meters. The ship has about 1,700 crew members from around 65 different nationalities. The crew has their own little area on the boat. They do about 661 pounds of laundry a day, or 1,500 pieces. They have their own crew mess along with their own buffet and their own little lecture area. The crew has their own mini mart or grocery store, a gym, an internet room, and their own bar. They get a little crew cabin which they could decorate and put pictures on the wall, but they are very small. We are heading to go find our room.
Super nice. So we're finding our room. We're in 13144. So we're on the 13th floor. We're gonna go check out our room right now.
The boat doesn't sink because we're on the 13th
Oh shoot, I didn't even think about bad luck. 13th floor?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Norwegian Encore.
Yeah, we found it.
Ashley,
Yes.
Mr. Zach,
That's
Yeah.
right.
welcome aboard.
Awesome. So we have a nice little couch, and I think this makes into another bed if you're staying with more people, but we're not, so it's nice. This is a king size bed. They put the two twins together to make a king. Nice. They have a safe. And a place for your clothes, not bad. Let's check out the bathroom. Wow, they have like a nice little shower. And then that's their toilet and sink.
Cool.
A little desk. And they gave us champagne because we've
We've flown here before.
flown here before. We've sailed with them before. Ooh, or one, oh. They even have a refrigerator, which is really nice. So, this is our balcony. Pretty nice. Enough for 2 people. We could sit and enjoy.
We're on a boat.
To Alaska! We'll give you a tour of the boat later. We're actually gonna go to the buffet and get lunch.
Join us next week as we do part 2 and give you a tour of the Encore ship. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures.